Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is compiler. Topics covered within this video are what is translator, why we need translator, types of translator, and what is compiler. So before understanding the compiler, we should know what is the translator. Okay, so we'll see the point, what is the translator and why we need translator. So name itself suggests translator, means it is translating something. So translator is nothing but it is a piece of software which converts high level language code to binary code which machines can understand. So name itself is suggesting that it is a translating something. So it is a converting high level language into the binary language. What is meaning of high level language? So high level language is nothing but programming language, whatever humans can understand. For example, in computer we are using the C language, C++, Java, Python for the purpose of programming. And these languages are called as high level languages because these are understandable by humans only. And binary language is nothing but the language is in the form of zeros and ones, and only machines can understand language. So it is called as a binary language. So what we have seen here, translator means it converts high level language into the binary language, and all the computers programs are always written in high level language, and only humans are capable to understand it. We need to convert these high level languages into the machine understandable form. For this purpose, translators are required. Now we'll see types of translator. In types of translator, we can consider first type as a compiler and second is a interpreter. We'll see what is a compiler. Compiler is a type of translator, means it is doing the work of translating something. We'll define the compiler is complex piece of software whose job is to convert source code to machine understandable code or binary code. Means compiler is a complex piece of software. Why it is called as a complex piece of software? Complex means it is doing the multiple functionalities. That's why it is called as a complex piece of software whose job is to convert source code to machine understandable code. Suppose I have two machines, machine A and machine B. Machine A is my source machine and machine B is my destination machine. Machine A is what? Where I write the code, I execute that code. When .exe file get created, I can take that .exe file on destination machine B and I can execute it or I can run that file. Here is a C programming example. Here I have declared three variables, add, x and y. X and y variables contain some integer number and I want to do addition of these two numbers and I want to store result into add variable. That's why we have written the formula add is equal to x plus y. Means this addition will get stored into the add variable and it will print the result. Now see, we are considering as the source machine is of Windows operating system or machine is of type Windows. After compilation, here compiler is used as a translator. So it converts this source machine code, that is a C programming language code, into the binary code, machine code, or we can consider machine understandable code, or we can consider as .exe file. Now see, when Windows operating system is there, the code is get converted into .exe file. Suppose I am using the Mac operating system, at that time the file generated is nothing but .app file. Okay, and this .exe code we can execute on destination machine. First, open the software, that is a code block, and here the same program we have to type. So here is the program. Okay, I have saved this program, or take same example and save the program as file. Again, give name to this program as addition dot C. Dot C is extension because our program is of type C language. So just save this program addition dot C. Now see, within this C programs folder, add dot C and addition dot C, only two files are there. Files are there. So suppose I execute my program, or suppose I built my program by using this option. Now see, if you see here, the tag is there that is having written as a build. So just click on this tag and select the build option, or you can directly press Ctrl plus F9 key. Either you can use this build tag and click on build option, or select the Ctrl F9 key. So I will select the option build. So if you build this file, now see it is showing build finished, 0 errors, 0 warning. So we'll minimize this. We'll check our folder, that is the C program. Again here, if you see addition.exe, this executable file is created because my operating system is of Windows type. And here addition.o file is created, that is object file. So we don't have to do it with anything. So just keep it as it is. So addition.exe, this is nothing but this file is nothing but it contains the machine readable code or binary code, and directly we can shift that addition.exe and we can execute a program. Suppose just I double click on this addition.exe. Now see, if you double click on this file, it is directly showing the output 75. If you press enter, again your control will get back to your home screen. So get character function is for that purpose. When output is printed, you have to come back from output window. For that you need one character to enter. So you can press any key on keyboard and your control will come back. For that purpose, this getch function is used. So this is the use of compiler, or compiler is used to convert source code to the machine readable, that is a binary code in the form of zeros and ones. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.